A-frame houses are everywhere right now. They're popping up in mountain towns, lakeside retreats, Airbnb listings, and even off-grid hideouts. A-frames are stupid simple to build, surprisingly cheap, and tough enough to handle heavy snow or wild weather. Stick around and see why A-frame houses are making a comeback, plus get some ideas for building one of your own. While their shape might seem unconventional for insulation, modern A-frames are incredibly well designed to keep you comfortable. That steep roof isn't just for shedding snow, it also allows for very thick insulation to be installed, especially in the ceiling, which is where most heat loss or gain occurs. Let's talk about the outdoor experience with these cabins because that's a massive part of their appeal. A-frames are almost always placed in stunning natural settings, and their design inherently invites the outside in. Those massive front windows aren't just for light, they're like living panoramic screens. You often see expansive decks wrapping around the front, creating seamless transitions to outdoor dining areas, fire pits, or even hot tubs. That connection is a huge selling point. So, for short term rentals, A-frames are like consistently top performers. Their unique aesthetic gets them booked solid, offering a fantastic return on investment for owners.